going to do the management poll at this time. We're still working the weather issue associated with the shower-related clouds, and because of that, we will be holding at 5 minutes. But understand that your poll of the launch team gave a go, with the exception of the range, and of course that's associated with the weather also. So I'll conduct the management poll at this time. Payload Operations Director.
Payload's a go, Bob.
I copy. Engineering Director.
Bob, engineering's go.
Copy, Bob. Safety and Quality Director.
Safety and quality go, Bob.
I copy. And weather is currently no-go with the cloud situation. Ops Manager, Launch Director.
You cleared the launch, Bob.
I copy. Thank you. Okay, NTD, you have a go to proceed, and we will hold at minus 5 minutes to continue to work the weather issue, which could take just a few minutes. So we do want to be ready to come out of that hold whenever we go clear with the weather.
Understand. Launch team, we're going to proceed down to 5. We will not perform APU pre-start. We'll pick up at 9, and we'll go down to 5 and hold at 5. GLS, pick up the count on your mark.
GLS copies. Clock will resume on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark.
And we are at T-minus 9 minutes and counting, with the anticipation of bringing it down to T-minus 5 minutes and holding for the weather to clear.
NTD Launch Director to ground 1.
Go ahead.
Okay, be advised, looks like
The NASA Test Director, Al Sopchi, is about to call for the transmittal of stored pre-launch commands.
About as soon as we get into it.
Copy.
NTD SD 212.
Go ahead, SP.
We have no pending hold set right now for T-minus 5. Do you want one?
That's an 80.
I copy.
TLT OTC. Go ahead, OTC. Configure fuel cell essential bus source switches. That's in work.
SRO NTD. SRO NTD.
OTC.
NTD SR, go ahead.
Stand by, SRO.
TLT, go ahead. Essential buses are connected to fuel cell. Copy, thanks.
GLS go for OAA retract.
SRO NTD.
And we have a go for the orbiter access arm to be retracted from away from the Shuttle Columbia. This access arm can be returned to position and allow the crew to exit the orbiter in just a matter of a few seconds if need be.
Weather, Launch Director, here to ground 1.
Launch Director, escape weather 212.
Okay, I want to verify that you are go to proceed.
Roger, sir. We have no weather constraints to launch. Steady state wind forecast from 19 degrees at 12 knots.
Copy.
SRO NTD.
Go ahead, NTD.
Did you copy Cape Weather's go?
I see it, but I haven't received a go from safety yet. I do expect it momentarily.
JRPS OTC. It's JRPS. Start APU and hydraulic strip chart recorders. Strip charts are running.
NTD SR on 212.
Go ahead.
Okay, ranges go. You have a final range clear to launch.
Copy.
T-minus 6 minutes and counting.
Go ahead. Perform APU pre-start. APU pre-start is in work.
APU pre-start is in work, and it appears that we will not be holding at T-minus 5 minutes, that we will be able to complete the count this morning.
All right, so I can verify.
OTC, PLT, APU pre-start's complete. 3-grade talkbacks.
Copy, PLT.
Pilot Bowersox reports that the pre-start of the auxiliary power units is complete. T-minus 5 minutes and counting.
GLS is go for orbiter, APU start.
And we have a go for APU start.
APU start.
APU starts in work.
CDR, OTC.
Sierra Peg is complete, OTC.
Copy.
OTC, PLT, APU starts complete.
Copy.
And we got 3 good APUs up and running. The SRB and external tank safe and arm devices have been armed. Main fuel valve heaters on the 3 shuttle main engines have been turned on in preparation for launch today. T-minus 4 minutes and counting.
Purge sequence 4.
A final test of the flight control surfaces is now being conducted on the orbiter Columbia. T-minus 3 minutes, 30 seconds and counting. We're currently transferring to orbiter internal power at this time. The final air surface checks of the orbiter's flaps and rudder have been completed, and the 3 main engines have been gimbaled for a final test for launch. T-minus 3 minutes and counting. All is continuing to go well for today's launch of Space Shuttle Columbia.
GLS go for EP LO2 pressurization.
And we have a go for pressurization of the liquid oxygen tank located inside the external tank.
PLT, OTC.
Go ahead.
Clear caution warning memory. Verify no unexpected errors.
Caution and warning memory clears in work.
The orbiter test conductor has requested that pilot Bowersox clear the caution and warning memory system, and that is currently in work. Nothing out of the ordinary. All is ready to fly today.
No unexpected errors.
Copy.
The liquid hydrogen replenishment is now being terminated.
And Columbia, OTC. Close and lock your visors. Initiate oxygen flow.
And the flight crew has been instructed to close their sun visors.
Okay, visor is O2, and we'll see you all in a couple of weeks.
Copy that, Ken. GLS go for EP LH2 pressurization.
T-minus 1 minute, 45 seconds and counting. Everything continues to look good for launch today. In about 90 seconds, we'll see the release of nearly 7 million pounds of thrust as the Shuttle Columbia begins its record-breaking 13-day mission.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
T-minus 1 minute, 15 seconds. The liquid hydrogen tank inside the external tank is reported to be at flight pressure. T-minus 60 seconds and counting. T-minus 45 seconds, coming up on a go for auto sequence start.
GLS go. Auto sequence.
And we have a go for auto sequence start. Columbia's 4 onboard computers have primary control of all the vehicle's critical functions.
20,
T-minus 20 seconds.
15,
T-minus 15. 12. 10. 9. 8.
go for main engine.
We have a go for main engine start. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
0, lift
And liftoff of the Space Shuttle Columbia and the first extended duration mission, a stepping stone to Space Station Freedom.
Roll program, Houston.
Roger, roll, Columbia.
Houston now controlling. Columbia is rolled to the proper upside-down position, putting the crew with heads down to see the horizon and putting Columbia on course for its planned orbit. Three engines on board Columbia now throttling back to 2/3 throttle as Columbia prepares to pass through the area of maximum air pressure. Columbia's speed now 1,000 miles an hour. Columbia is 2 miles east of the launch pad, altitude of 4.8 miles and in a steep climb. Three engines on Columbia now back at full throttle.
Columbia, Houston, go at throttle up.
Go at throttle up.
One and a half minutes since launch. Columbia 8 miles from Kennedy Space Center, altitude 18 miles. Columbia's speed now 1,800 miles an hour.
Columbia, Houston, UHF only comm check. How do you read?
Loud and clear, Sid.
And we have you loud and clear.
Flight controllers now standing by for burnout and jettison.
Second, UHF only comm check. How do you read?
Loud and clear.
The booster officer confirms a good separation in jettison.